Guys, just want to show you an app if you're not using it. It's called Navionics. I think the Australian maps are around $30. Probably the best investment if you're looking to get into drone fishing. This basically is a boating app, and you can set it up to, it shows you in your maps here, you've got nautical charts, but more importantly sonar charts and sonar shading. So for example, if I come down here, you've got your Botany Bay and it tells you the water depths of what's going on, so you can go hunting around. What's very difficult, especially when you've got a lot of shallow water, is how to identify where your depths are. So what you have the ability, I'm pretty sure once you only available when you buy the app, is you've got this thing down here. It's called fishing ranges. Really easy to set up. So for the first range, I want to highlight 5 to 7 meter water. So you just use this little slider, 5 to 7 meter water. It's a bit touchy. Pink. Then I go add a range. Then I add it when I go from 5 to 7. To 10 meters. I want to have orange. Then I'll add a range. Then I want to have 10 to 15 meters. I want to have turquoise. And I want to add a range. And I'm going to go 15 to 20 meters. I want to have blue. Then I want to add a range. Then I want to go 20 to 25. And that's all your range. So I might actually run that up to 30 meters, depending on where you are and your depths. In Sydney, we've got pretty shallow waters to get to the shelf. So what I've just done basically, so if I go back to my map, you'll see the pink areas, which are going to be in that 5 to 7 meters. So it actually tells you here. So if I'm going to go fishing out somewhere this way, or if I'm going to go off a beach, I can use this. So as my point, so I know that I'm going into a 5 meter drop, 6 meter drop, 7 meter drop, etc., etc., etc. So in the bottom right hand corner, you've got a little mappy things. This brings up your pin, so you can say that I'm on the beach, and as you drag this pin, it's gone from 1 to 2 to 300 meters. So it's going to be a 300 meter flight from that distance to reach 5 meter water. So you can scan your beach, figure out how far you want to drop out, depending on where the water depths change, and it clearly highlights the depths for you with your different color mapping. So you're not hunting around looking for bits around here, trying to find water that's not going to be optimal for dropping baits, but could make a big difference. I use this a lot, especially on the quadricopter when I'm dropping out, when I'm setting up missions. I utilize landmarks, and knowing how many meters I need to put it out, I always overshoot my drop by about 10 meters, just to guarantee that it's going to end up pretty much where I want it to be, and also adjust my drop based on wind. I hope this helps you guys, but it's pretty cool app. Cheers.